Hey everyone, Joel with Thyme together, and I'm going to give you a little tip for the day. Let's talk salt. Very important ingredient to many different dishes. So I just have 4 salts that we use in almost everyday dishes. So let's just start out with our regular table salt. Very manufactured, very small. You can see how small the granules are. They're almost round. Used every day to many different dishes. This is iodized salt back in the day, whenever the day was. But back in the day, people used to have thyroid issues, and so they weren't getting enough iodine. And so iodine was placed into the salt, and so everyone would get plenty of iodine in their salt. But, very concentrated. We use it every day. The next salt I want to show you is kosher salt. So kosher salt, you can see here, is definitely a little bit bigger than the table salt. Kosher salt is used by a lot of cooks and chefs because what they like to do is they like to add basically pinches of salt, and it's really easy to pick up and use. So again, good flavor, dissolves quickly. Now, if you are going to have different recipes that call for the kosher salt and you only have table salt, just remember table salt is a little more concentrated. So you probably use about half the amount of table salt than you would for the kosher salt. So just a little FYI. Then we'll move on to sea salt. Sea salt's even a little bit bigger. So we have sea salt here, and then we have pink Himalayan salt. These 2 salts are more finishing salts. The first 2 are a little more cooking salts. These 2 are a little more finishing salts. Again, great flavor with the sea salt. You can add this to, let's say, like a steak or maybe a salad. What this adds to it is actually a little texture, a little crunch to it, which is kind of a fun thing. Then you have the pink Himalayan salt. So sea salt is obviously from the sea. Pink Himalayan salt is mined, and it is pink because it pulls in a lot of the different minerals and nutrients, which causes it to have this color. Again, you can add this to marinades and sauces and other finishing things. You can even throw it on steak also. So these 2 are finishing salts. Here's more cooking salts. Again, a lot of the chefs like to use the kosher salt. Easy to grab and throw on their dishes. That's about it. Hope that helps you with our salt talk for tonight. Until we see each other again, be good, do good, ciao.